We went to visit Seabridge Park in Huntington Beach. It's a baby beach with shallow water, no waves, and a playground. Located in the Huntington Harbor canals, we entered through the park. Walking past the playground, we got to the beach area. It's a nice little stretch of sand with calm waters. The swim area is roped off from passing boats and kayaks.
You're swimming, wow!
We then headed over to the playground, which is pirate themed.
Good climbing.
The combination of playground and beach makes Seabridge Park a great hidden gem in Orange County.